Today I'm going to show you how I look at the age of my collection for reading purposes. So the first thing I do is I upload my collection to TidalWave, Follett TidalWave for analysis, because that allows me to look at the age of my collection. So to do that, I go to the Catalog tab in Destiny, over here on the left where it says TidalWave, and then my account is already synced, so I can just submit my collection for analysis. And then to check on it, I would go over to TidalWave, which is tidalwave.com/login, or I guess probably just tidalwave.com, and then I log in. My username is the username that my predecessor used, and I've just never changed it. So here I would sign in, and then I can go to your account, and I can manage my TidalWise analyses. And I can look at all the different times that I've uploaded my account for analysis. My one that I was running still hasn't finished yet, so I'm just going to work with my most recent one here, which was from May 23rd. So I will view my analysis, and it shows me all kinds of numbers and stats about my collection. And it can be a little bit overwhelming, but I usually just like to go down to collection by Dewey classification and look at a specific section at a time. So let's say that I was wanting to read my my biography section. So what I like to do is open up my list of whatever section I'm looking at in Microsoft Excel, because that allows me to work with the data as much as I want to. And this is super tiny, so I'm going to make this a little bit bigger just because it makes me, oops, well, okay. Makes me happier to be able to actually read what I'm looking at here. Okay. So now, publication year is probably what I'm looking at if I'm wanting to look at what's aged. So I am going to sort my data so that it's showing me the oldest titles first. So here I have all my biographies listed in order, oldest to newest, and let's say, I'm only interested in looking at the ones from before 2000, for example. I usually, just for my own sake, delete these so that I'm not looking at them. So then now here I have a list of all of my biographies that are older than 20 years, for example.